mysterious parts I got in the wagon, and we're gonna figure out what they are. And then we're gonna put it on my car. It's okay, we can fast forward it in post so it looks like it's going faster. Why don't you cover it up? There's something
nothing
there.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, there she is.
There's nothing there. That's nothing.
Bro, move your fat hand.
There's nothing there. Don't even worry about it.
That's nothing either. Figure out the parts. Two tie rods and the thing they connect to. Steering rod.
Tie rod center.
Center tie rod. Center
piece.
tying rod piece.
Center something.
It's the thing that goes in the center of the tie rods. I wish I could zoom in selfie mode, but I can't. I could zoom in post.
Do you want to do some
Look,
donuts?
I'm zoomed in really close on your face, on your eyeball. Yeah, look at that.
You want to do some donuts?
Okay, we finished picking this up. The old tie rods, the old center tie rod connector, and the new ones. Look at that rust. Alright, so we got the new parts in. Got everything connected. Oh yeah.
We should have filmed this whole deep.
We fixed my car, and the steering wheel is crooked now. I'll show a photo right there. And that's it. It stopped shaking as much, but I'm gonna get in alignment and hopefully fix it.
Several days later.
What are you doing?
I got my 600 grit, my sponge, water, wet sand.
Don't do that to my phone. Look at how foggy this light is. It feels really smooth though. This one feels smooth too.
Oh my god! Great.
Why?
Because my fingers are tired.
Oh, little fingies are tired.
Spray, just keep spraying it. It's
like
a
not-
wet sand, not a dry sand.
That's not locked. There's no squirting option for like a.
It's not supposed to
aggressive
squirt, it's
shoot.
supposed to freaking mist. God damn it, Ryan, give me the ball back. Oh, you prick. Stop it. This one headlight sucks.
I'm looking at the phone. I can't do something and film at the same time.
You're spraying from so far away, you're just getting me wet.
I don't want to help you.
I didn't even film this.
Explain what you did really quick, as fast as you can.
I used, dude, I can't even speak English fast. I used 600 grit.
Aren't you an English major?
I used 600 grit to sand this down, and I'm still using 600 grit because I already did the other side, and then this side looked worse than the other side that I did second. So I'm back to the first side, trying to redo the first side with 600, 1500, and then 2000. So 600, 15, 1500, and then 2000. Wet sanding. And then I have to use this polish stuff that is allegedly you could use this by itself. But it's a polish, so you just probably use it last after you sand. And then this is like a clear coat for your headlights for plastic. Oh, but
We don't know. We just don't know. Ever get this sorted out?
what?
Ew. Not really supposed to be like that. Hot hoses, burning hoses, overheating hoses, and little cars.
A rotating thing for a drill so that I
Say I'm gonna go get a thing because it's cut with nothing before it.
I'm gonna go get a rotating thing that you put in a drill that will like make your drill just a
rotating tool. Excuse me, sir, you have a flat tire.
How does it look? I didn't feel it when we were driving over here.
It looks flat.
Like all the way flat?
No.
Well, let's go before it's all the way flat.
You got like an inch of air.
Don't film that.
This is what he was trying to explain. This little.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's
what he meant.
That's the rotating bit that goes on the drill that turns your drill into like a. God, it's called something. Car is so full of stuff. There's a backpack, tools, parts, a bunch of random miscellaneous stuff for projects and wiring and stuff, and a suitcase, a full suitcase in my trunk. And that's all on top of the spare. So the spare is out of the question. That all has to stay in my trunk. Yeah.
It's the next day, and we have yet to finish, but we're gonna finish today.
Have it on there. Splatter everywhere.
Alright, we got the lights fixed up. They're very clean now. I did it all by myself. No help. Bro, you didn't put the brake on. Look, I can push it with my foot. Gee, oh,